From the sky-piercing gaze of eagles to the vibrant elegance of flamingos, birds are among nature's most extraordinary creatures. With over 10,000 species worldwide, they rule the skies, waters, and forests with unmatched grace and power. But what makes these feathered wonders so fascinating? Dive into the hidden lives of birds, how eagles hunt with deadly precision. Spoonbills are named for their spatula-shaped bill, which helps them sweep through water to catch food. Spoonbills often nest in large groups, usually with other water birds like herons or ibises. Like flamingos, some spoonbills' pinkish hues come from the carotenoids in their food. Some spoonbill species are threatened due to habitat loss, pollution, and disturbance. Spoonbills are named for their spatula-shaped bill, which Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans can fly, but they prefer to hop from branch to branch. Their flight is short, bouncy, and not very graceful. Toucans are known for being intelligent, curious, and sometimes even playful, especially in captivity. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Their legs are strong enough to deliver powerful kicks that can kill predators like lions. Dust bathing. Ostriches often take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. They swallow pebbles and sand to help grind up food in their gizzard. Ostriches eat mostly plants, but also insects and small animals. This myth likely started from their low posture when they feel threatened. Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Peacocks have a very loud, high-pitched call, especially during the mating season or when alarmed. Peacocks have a long train of iridescent tail feathers, called a train, used for courtship displays. Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Flamingos are found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and parts of Europe and Asia. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, especially in cooler water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Eagles build enormous nests called eyries, or eyries, sometimes over 10 feet wide and used year after year. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet. Frogs live a double life, the meaning of amphibian, starting as aquatic tadpoles with gills before transforming into air-breathing adults. Frogs use their bulging eyes to swallow food. They retract them to push meals down their throats. Frog populations are declining globally, making them important bioindicators of environmental health. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles and belong to the same order as crocodiles, but they are different animals. Alligators eat fish, birds, turtles, mammals, and even carrion. Dead animals. They wait quietly in water and lunge at prey with powerful jaws. Alligators can stick just their eyes and nostrils above water to stay hidden while watching prey. Why flamingos blush pink, and the astonishing ways birds communicate, migrate, and survive in the wild. Eagles, the undisputed kings of the air, command respect with their razor-sharp talons and unmatched eyesight, spotting prey from miles away.